First thing is you open up the RSLOGIX 500. This window will pop up. Going to File, select New. You could name the processor, put a name on it, or leave it untitled. I'm going to select 1747 L532B 503 CPU. So you already selected the processor. Next thing to do is the I/O configuration. Your processor is already here. So next thing to do is choose the different input output cards that you're going to be using for your program. In this case, I'm just going to use an 8-point discrete input module. And then I'm going to choose an 8-point discrete output module. So I have two modules, input and output. That's it. So this is where you'll be doing your program. You have all your memories here for the different types of elements to use in the program, but I'm not going to get into much into that. I want to keep this as simple as possible and short. So the next thing to do is choose the number of rungs that you'll be running on your program. In this case, I'm just going to illustrate a timer with a push and start stop station. Now I'm going to do this just to illustrate the timer and its different elements or functions. Right here we have the EN. When this is enabled, the timer that would turn into 1. TT timer timing, timer done bit, the base, pre, which is the preset, the accumulated value, the value that's accumulated on the timer. And so I'm going to be using the done bit, the EN, just to illustrate how the timer works. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to go to input. You click on the screen there, it'll tell you the next available input bit. Enable this stop push button 1. So that's input 1. Next input. Now you could enter the addresses with the keyboard as well, but it's easier to just click on the window and select memory that you're going to be using. I'm going to use a B3 binary. Enable this. Run. Then B3 semicolon /00 enter the running bit. So now here I'm going to choose first. You gotta enter the timer for semicolon. The next available element is 0. Enter. I just put timer 1 on here. Timer 0. Okay, so the preset, I'm going to go 0.01. The time base is 0.01. The preset will be 30 seconds. And then here, one good thing about this program is that if you click on here, it'll tell you the things that you need to still finish. So when you're programming and you run into a problem and you just verify the program and click it here, and it'll tell you exactly what you are missing. See that? Okay. So now I'm going to enter T4 semicolon 0 /en timer enabled. And then I'm going to put this as a output. X available 0. Enter. Put it as yellow light. Next, I'm gonna change this to a close contact, and I'm gonna put D4 semicolon dumb bit. Okay, I'm gonna put T4 now. These will reverse when the timer times out. This one will turn on and this one will turn off. So here I'll put output and this will be a red light. Then I'll put now I can verify the program and there's no alarms, nothing else. Everything has verified. It's good. So that's it. This is how you program a timer and the different bits. This is a stop input, a start input, an internal memory, which is the B3 associated with this. Internal memory just for the program. Once this is pushed, the button is pushed, it latches onto this bit here, turns on the timer. When the timer is enabled, the yellow light turns on, the timer starts timing. After 30 seconds, the red light will turn off and the green light will turn on. And that's basically it. That's how you program a timer.